한국 고추장 매운맛에 반해 침 질질 흘리며 식욕 폭발한 외국인이 있습니다.
Korean fire chicken will be gochujang. This deliciously lovely and spicy many Korean foods. Say half a cup. Let's go half a cup. That devil mixture and a little honey. And we'll paintbrush. Oh, you lovely little friend. Bring him over, and down you go. Ready to flip, so. Oh, unbelievably gorgeous. But gorgeous. I'm so happy. Oh, juicy, tender. My fingers. Back end heat. Wow, but the flavor, that's the thing. You know, sometimes people just like dump hot sauce on stuff. Though, is when you get gorgeous heat with the stand here and eat this whole thing.